Hey guys, it's Valentine's Day today and we are going to do some spare ribs on the smoker today. So we went ahead and pulled this out, the old Barrel Pro smoker, and we're going to go ahead and fire this bad boy up here shortly after we get the meat prepared. So we're going to do that right now. So hang out with us and we'll show you how it's done. All right. Okay, we're back. Once again, I hope everyone's doing well on this Valentine's Day. We are, that's for sure, and we're just kind of getting started with the prepping of the spare rib that we're going to throw on the smoker here shortly. So here, let me show you what we got going on here. The very first thing we're doing is just throwing some Tony Chachere's on there. We've never done the Tony Chachere's on ribs before, but we're just going to go ahead and start with that. Just kind of give it a, like a little foundation, I guess you could say. A little seasoning, the initial seasoning to penetrate into the meat, I guess you could say. Don't even really need to, yeah.
And then
Good enough.
Use for the binding.
For the binding, yeah, throw some mustard on there.
Just,
Do we have enough mustard, I hope?
yeah, we still have some.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Sure.
Just for the binding.
Make sure we get the edges, all that good
So
stuff.
the juice won't get dry.
Put the rub on there? Or?
No, we have to put the rub later.
Oh, okay. We've only done this once before, and it turned out excellent. And we're kind of trying to repeat the same process because we want to experience what we experienced last month when we did this. It was just the bomb, man. It was so good. And yeah, we did not do any video of that one, so
yeah.
So I guess this video is kind of multi-purpose. For those who want to watch and maybe learn, and then for us to document so we can refer back to this when we, whenever we do this again. It's not very often we're going to do this because, this slab of meat here is 1,000+ pesos. And it's a big hunk of meat. It's going to give us 2, maybe 3 decent dinners, but it's still, it's kind of pricey up front. You got to shell out. Now we'll do the, what are we going to do here?
For the rub?
Yep.
Barbecue rub?
We're using Badia Holy Smokes pork and meat rub. So we'll go ahead and throw that on there.
Not so much.
Just sprinkle it on there. And give it a good generous sprinkle. And then we just pat in, right?
Yeah.
Get the edges, get it all nice and... Alright, so y'all get the idea. We'll finish doing this and then we'll hook back up when we start cooking. All right, see you in a few. Okay guys, we got the smoker all lit up. We got her at about 250. I figure by the time we open the lid, it'll drop down to about 235. Once again, we started out the meat here, the spare rib, with a sprinkle of Tony Chachere's. That's kind of like, I'm kind of using that as our all-purpose seasoning, I guess. And then we went ahead and did a generous amount of mustard, rubbed that in, both sides, around the sides, everything. And then we used that that rub that we had, the rub that we showed you here earlier. So patted down both sides and around the edges with the rub. And now we are ready to do the deed. We're going to go ahead and throw this on the grill. We got a nice smoke action going on here. We're about 250. We're going to open this bad boy, which will probably bring us down to about 235, right about where we want to be. 225, 235 range. And we got a lot of smoke. So go ahead and put that bad boy in there. Can't really see what's going on, but...
Is it so close?
I think we're good. All right. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and close that. Yeah, we dropped down to about 225. But we'll try to keep the temperature right around 225, 235 for the duration of this cook. We're gonna go 3 hours. 1, 2, 3. 3 hours, just the way we have it there in the smoker. After that, we will do the brown sugar and honey rub with butter, and then continue marching forward with the process of cooking smoking ribs on the Barrel Pro smoker. So, all right, we'll see you shortly. All right, if I can get this thing to shut off. Hold on. All right, we good? Okay, guys, we're at about the 2-hour mark of the smoking process, and we're going to go ahead and give it a light spray. We're doing that every hour for the 3 hours that it's in there. So we'll go ahead and give it a light spray of some apple flavored iced tea. That's what we're using in the spray bottle. So let's go ahead and give it a shot, babe. Ready?
The iced tea, the tea will give some flavor on it and the smell.
Yeah, and it's kind of more apple than it is tea. See, there we are at 2 hours. Looking pretty darn good. There we go. So let me see if we can get a good glimpse. There we go.
Okay.
There you have it. So we'll do about 1 more hour at 235, right around 225, 235 temperature, and we'll go ahead and come back and take a look at it at that point, and get ready to wrap it in tinfoil. All right, see you in a few.
To do this one first.
Okay. We just completed the 3-hour smoke process. Now we are going to put the butter, the brown sugar, and the honey on there, wrap it in tin foil, and we'll be throwing it back on the grill
Again. What is that?
Hold on. You put it on the, yeah.
It's not even warm.
I know, we should have taken it out. Usually this butter we should have it. Why don't we,
I should just melt it down.
yeah, I didn't even think about it. Anyways, we'll work with this butter. All right. Now after the butter, throw on some brown sugar. We did the other side. We did the meat side. Now we're on the back portion here. Bunch of brown sugar. Pile that on there.
And lastly,
Honey for the money.
Go wash my hand first.
Okay. Basically what we'll do now is we'll just wrap this baby up and throw it back on the grill. Alright, so we finished up with the brown sugar, or the butter, the brown sugar, the honey. We wrapped it up in tin foil. We're getting ready to throw it back on the smoker for 2 hours. So here we go. Let's take a look. Now keep in mind, the meat side is down on this wrap.
Yep.
Everything's inside, the meat side is down, and all the folds are facing upward. The bone side is up. So I guess the point of this is to get all the juices and all the flavorings to drip down and soak down on the meat side of the ribs as we're cooking. So, all right, we're ready to go. Let's throw these on, back on. So there we go. So we'll do 2 hours. See you later, ribs. So we are just above 225. We're right about 225, and we'll try to maintain that temperature. Maybe, yeah, 225, 235 for the next 2 hours. All right. This is getting funner by the minute, man. See you in a couple hours. All right, we're at about the 2 hour mark of the cooking process. Once again, 3 hours smoking. 2 hours wrapped in tin foil with the honey, the brown sugar, and the butter. So we'll go ahead and pull them off. Unwrap them. Kind of see how they look. I think maybe I should have. Holy smokes! Look at that. Wow. And this is the bone side up, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's take a look at. Let me just drop that down there for now. Let me get this back up on the grill real fast. Maybe not. Holy crap! I got a lot of juice.
Yeah, you have to put that there and then apply the barbecue.
Oh goodness,
You,
I gotta
I can
get rid of this juice somehow. Somewhere.
move it away.
Well, I'm gonna. Okay, so we're gonna do the barbecue sauce. Yeah, we'll just do it on the grill. That's fine. All right. So the next thing, the last portion of this whole smoking ribs process is going to be the glazing. So we'll go ahead and I want to just get a really good portion of barbecue sauce in here. We'll just.
He is the Valentine chef.
Valentine's chef, yeah, right. This is a big hunk of meat, boy. This is huge. This is not your typical baby back rib right here. This is something a little more, I guess you could say. We did this last month and it turned out really good. We'll just get a bunch of barbecue. This is the barbecue sauce we're using is nothing more than Sweet Baby Ray's thinned out with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just add enough apple cider vinegar to bring it down to a texture that you like. Okay, I think that'll about do it. And we'll get her flipped. Easier said than done, man. This is a big. This thing is huge.
You want me to help? Oh, the juice is out.
Oh yeah! Look at that, guys. Wow.
Who's the chef?
God, might as well just pour it on her.
Yeah, and then pour it and
There you go.
spread.
Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at the mess. So this will be, what I'll probably do is I'll probably put, I'll probably do this twice. Once here at the very beginning of the last hour and then maybe about halfway through, 3/4 of the way through, something like that. I'll put another coat on just before we pull them off. But for now, we'll go with this and let that set in. Okay?
Okay.
How do you think? What do you think? Looking good? I can't really see. Did I get the other side over there?
Yeah, put some more here.
Did I get over there?
Yep.
I think I did.
I did.
I think I got enough.
Okay.
We'll do another round here in about half an hour, 45 minutes, right before we pull them off. But we're doing good. You got towel, babe? Yeah, it's getting dark, so I wanted to get this last bit on video before the sun drops completely. Right, dog? What do you think about that, huh? She doesn't like cameras, really. Good girl. All right. Thanks, hon. Okay, so we will come back in a little bit, kind of show you the outcome. All right, see you in a few. Okay, so we're just about ready to finish up here. We're gonna go ahead and put one more, we're gonna hit it one more time with some barbecue sauce. We're actually, let me see, we started this right before 1 o'clock in the afternoon, right around 12:55. It's 6:20 now, so we're basically putting this barbecue sauce on about maybe a half an hour after the first one we just did, and then we're just probably gonna let it sit for maybe 10-15 more minutes, and we're gonna yank these babies because they're actually looking pretty good. That is a big piece of meat. It's like over two kilos.
2 kilos.
Oh, look at that. So, all right, one more time. Good, generous dose of barbecue sauce on that bad boy. Perfect. Looks beautiful. I think I like doing this better than chicken. To me, it's easier. Takes longer.
But it's more easy.
It's easier because, I don't know, it just is. Chicken is kind of finicky sometimes.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
All right, about 10 more minutes, 15 tops, and we're gonna yank this. Okay guys, we just pulled the ribs off the grill, off the smoker, and we're getting ready to cut into that. But first, before we do that, let's take a look at what else we got. This is our Valentine's Day feast. I think actually we're probably eating bigger and better than we did on Thanksgiving. I know you can't really see in there, but those are roasted garlic potatoes, I guess. What are they? Roasted garlic, buttered potatoes with garlic. Fresh garlic, or you just put the sprinkle?
I cook the garlic first and then mash it.
Oh, okay. Well, those are really good. You want to put the cover on, or are you done with these?
I'm done.
All right, shut her off. All right, and then she made a salad. It's in the other room. So anyways, without further ado, let's take a look and see what we got here. This is what we just pulled off the grill.
Where is that thing? I can...
See if we got a good smoke ring.
You see?
Oh, baby.
Yeah. It's cooked.
Got a nice smoke ring. Can you tip it
Yeah.
up again? Yeah, that looks pretty darn good. It's kind of hard to tell in this light.
Yeah, because
But I think I see, I think I see a pretty good smoke ring. We had massive amounts of smoke going in there the first 3 hours, so yeah, we're definitely gonna get the smoke flavor on this meat here for
I
sure.
will cut and then take a photo.
Okay,
Photo you can put on the video later.
sounds good. Well, man, that looks really good. Do you want to give it a taste test real quick? Tell the viewers what you think of it.
I will,
Just take a little nibble. I promise I won't hold it against you for cheating.
you want?
Yep, give it a shot.
Cool.
Is it like
Very
last
nice.
time? Is it
Yep.
good like last time?
Yep.
Because last time was really good, remember?
Same thing.
You think just as
Same.
good?
Yep.
Okay.
Very good.
Don't eat no more until we sit down. No, just kidding. God, that looks dynamite though. And it looks cooked really
Yeah.
well through and through.
Yeah, you see,
Oh yeah.
juicy also.
Look how juicy that is. Man, this will be, what do you think, 3 meals or 2?
I don't know.
I haven't eaten all day, so.
He's starving his.
I did. I fasted all day.
Because-
I did. I skipped lunch. Of course, I always skip breakfast.
Mhm.
I didn't eat a damn thing all day just in preparation for this here.
Yeah,
Man, guys, that is juicy. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. Wow. I'm totally digging it, and I haven't even tasted it yet. Holy smokes.
see,
Look at that.
and the juice
Man.
is dripping.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Woo! Holy
for-
crap, man.
This is for Eric's treat.
And that's for our treat. Well,
Valentine's treat.
as you can imagine, it's gonna taste really good. We don't need to do a reaction video on this thing here. It's gonna be good. That's all I can say. I think the final outcome kind of speaks for itself. So with that being said, we're gonna finish prepping the table, sit down and eat, and have a nice peaceful Valentine's Day dinner. Hopefully there's something good on TV we can watch, so we'll see. But in the meantime, y'all take care. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Even if it's even if you watch this video late, enjoy the day that it is, that whatever day you're watching this video. So take it easy, guys. Talk to you later. And see you next time. All right, later. Bye-bye.